see what we got. Oh, Dimond Art Club. Look at that. Isn't that gonna be gorgeous right there? Oh yeah. It's going to be gorgeous. On the floor. Alright. What's in there, son? Huh? Alright, let's see here. Okay, I was having some technical difficulties opening the package. Not a big deal. Let's see how gorgeous this thing's gonna look. Wolf with a dream catcher. Gotta get it to lay flat, but oh yeah, that's gonna look gorgeous. Let that sit like that so it gets nice and flat. I didn't say I'm missing something, but it's there. A little tray. Anything else in there? Nope. Okay. Doesn't even say what colors we got, but let's see what she says up here. 31 colors. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Got everything! Yeah! She's going to be pretty. Thank you, Redneck Beauty, for the discount code for Dimond Art Club. Oh yeah. Awesome sauce. You guys have a good one.